Good afternoon.
Oh my god.
From DAC, which
If you're not a cast member,
if you're not a Disney cast member, that stands for Disney's Animal Kingdom.
stay tuned for more.
Stay tuned. We had to park all the way at the back of the parking lot in Yeti 57 to be exact. So we're just hiking up to the main entrance because for some reason everybody and their mother is at Disney's Animal Kingdom today. Oh, I'm feeling wild.
Oh boy.
We just got in.
It's hot.
It's very hot.
It's muggy.
Like extremely humid, but it just makes it feel all the more like we're in the jungle. So okay, so we have a fast pass for Kilimanjaro Safari, which is like the best ride ever. So we're heading there now. There are birds flying, but I don't think you can see them. Okay, so we're walking through Animal Kingdom and it is packed beyond my expectations. Here's my friend Griffin. For all my friends that love to pin trade, this store over here, if you can see it, Island Mercantile usually has a gigantic pin board with great pins, so hit it up. Update, we made it. Can you flip it while you... A what?
A baobab.
Whoa, it's super bouncy.
It looks like over there on our left side, actually on both
He's just
left
so happy
sides,
to see
on
us.
this rock wall.
Whoa.
That is another pretty rare sight, unfortunately.
There are only 5,000 black rhinos left in the world,
no
so
scientific or medicinal purpose.
let's get to work on saving our planet, guys.
Pelicans. Now they do get their name from that pinkish color. They're gonna get right underneath their
Oh, and
wings
some
during
hippos.
mating season. It's a pretty as long as a giraffe is tall. Upside down tree. I'm sure you can see why. It is gonna remain leaf like a fingerprint.
Messy.
If in your travels,
What animal is that? Hello. Oh, there's another one.
the very first domesticated them. They're actually the older.
Oh,
And that is a mandrill, the world's largest.
there they are.
Now we do have African elephants here in Africa. Now, there we go, that's a better look at it.
Oh my.
Now they do like to throw dirt on their backs to help protect them from the sun, help them keep a little bit cooler. Of all the
A
flamingo
flamboyance
species. And they do get that color from the
flamingos.
brine shrimp in their diet. When they're born, they're actually a bit of a gray color. and
Largest
they slowly
hidden
get
Mickey
more
right there,
pink as
folks.
they get older. So when running, and their kicks are actually strong enough to kill a lot.
We're going to take a quick look at the gorillas, so stay tuned. Also, fun fact that I learned today, the difference between monkeys and apes is that monkeys have tails and apes don't, so. Griffin's afraid of birds. If you look closely, there's a hippo.
A hippo butt.
Jump, yes.
My dad put me up over here, like on the bars, and one of the gorillas, like, I love Tarzan.
Oh my god, it's starting to rain.
I have floated on Tuesday, but it's not.
Okay, so we just went to the little street show they have in Africa where they show you how to dance and they stand on each other's heads. So please enjoy the clip of Austin and Griffin making a fool of themselves. Okay, so we're going to Everest. We have a fast pass. Lucky us. So I'll vlog on the ride, so love. As promised, once again, I am vlogging on the ride. I hope I don't drop my phone, because it's crazy. Ah! Woo! Oh my god. LOL. So we just survived Everest. Please enjoy my clips from the ride, live and in the flesh. But we're heading now to the Up Bird Show with Griffin, who is just so fond of birds. We're going in the bird show.
Nice
Oh my God,
and
I'm so
still,
nervous.
but keep your eyes on Miles. He's going to be very quick. Here he comes.
Oh my gosh.
Their time on the ground. That's how they get their name. Now, they can use that beat with the force of a sledgehammer. It's amazing.
Oh, come here, you chicken birdies. Come here.
I'll be right back.
Hello? How about a greeting? There we go.
It makes me laugh every time.
Yeah, so Kiddo's been at home for many years. Listen to all the sounds around him. He's learned to show off what he's heard in a pretty impressive way. Now, along the way, he learned a few animal impressions. Are you ready? How about we show you a big, scary tiger?
Oh, I'm trembling.
There we go. Good job. Thank you.
Yes, that's a little intimidating, right? You got something a little more tame.
I guess.
Tamer than a tiger?
Yeah?
Yeah. You want to look this way? How about the kitty cat? Thank you. But you know the coolest thing that Kiddo's learned how to do? She's learned to sing a song. Do y'all want to hear it?
Yes.
You ready? All right, ready, Kiddo? Let's sing. You ready? Let's sing.
Oh.
Like you too, Doug.
Okay, so it is now raining here in Animal Kingdom. So the bird show unfortunately ended early.
She doesn't really pick up on any of that because we've never really.
Okay, we're going to Dinosaur now because it's a 5-minute wait. Yay us. Love. Look at this detail. It's insane. Update, I am extremely tired, but we're gonna go ride Dinosaur and get whiplash, so stay tuned. Okay, so the wait was actually like 20-30 minutes and we didn't want to wait for it, so we're leaving and not going on that ride. Wow, that's a huge lizard. They have all these different little character pins. And look at this one. the cheese moves. Need. So cute, so convenient. I just got a Sorcerer Mickey pin. Amazing. Okay, so we're on our way to ride the Navi River ride or whatever it is because it's only 20-minute wait, and we had a fast pass at 7:50, but why wait an hour to use the fast pass when you can just wait 20 minutes and go on it now? Math.
They're great size. They can reach all of the instruments you need. They do. We will hear their reply.
We have taken off.
Oh, we are taking flight. Not really, because we're not on flight of passage, but
We're on Navi River journey.
so we're swimming, floating,
We have taken.
rolling, rolling, rolling on the Navi River.
You can see them running on the leaves. Whoa. Oh my god.
Austin, Yawring, Masa no Kanao.
Okay, so we just got off the Navi River journey and we are leaving, sad, Animal Kingdom for the day. But I just wanted to, you can't, I just wanted to say that Disney's attention to detail just blows my mind. Like,
What an amazing company.
I'm like so blessed, so honored to be here. No, but actually if you haven't checked out Pandora, you should book a trip to Disney and come see it. This video is not sponsored.
A wild day.